Alrighty folks, I'm going to do a video on a Stomper 700V-HG-2x6. Gentleman blowed it up. I guess he was talking, like he said he had a Kenwood. I think he just overdrove it myself. Says on sideband, you know, he probably just done too much and he cut the power back a little bit. Blowed the peel in it and we got her fixed up. Do a little video on her. Show you she's working. Straight through SWR. Whirl. Turn him on, then put SWR. Worldwide, go down. I'm gonna change slugs real quick. That's just a 1,000-watt slug. It won't never do it for us. Let's see here. I should have changed slugs before I turn my video on. Alright, one-handed here. Give me just a second. I'm gonna set the camera down. Gonna get the 2,500-watt slug out. Put it in. 1,000. Alright, let's try it again. Barb wide open, turned on. Reflect power. Whirl, 1,000 watt, average power. Whirl, close to 600 average. 1,000 watt PUP. Whirl, going down. 2,500 watt slug, PUP. Whirl, 11,1200, 2x6. Doing pretty good. We changed peel in her, got her all fixed up. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, folks. Your friend 10-01 Boost. Catch you later. Phone's been slow, folks. Alright, we'll see.